Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign out Gmail on Android phone. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it interesting. Shout out to my 635 subscribers. I really appreciate your support. So without further delay, let's get started. To sign out Gmail on Android phone, first go to your phone setting. Scroll down, click on Accounts. Find the Gmail account you would like to sign out and click on it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to sign out animalogymedia@gmail.com. Click on Remove Account. You will receive this prompt telling you that removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. If you are sure you would like to remove or sign out the Gmail account, click on Remove Account. And boom friends, your account will be successfully removed. As you can see, that account has been successfully removed. That is all for this tutorial friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.